everyone, welcome to my crochet nook. My name's Linda and today I have some happy mail from Angela, my precious Yarnery. She has collaborated with Daniel from Paw Ply Guys to create some yarn, and she's going to be selling it in Canada, so all our Canadian friends can get a hold of the yarn, and the US worldwide. I mean, she's selling worldwide, but these mine have come from Daniel because Daniel had some of the yarn and they were good enough to sell it to me. So this is a little parcel and I'm so excited. I am absolutely I can't even begin to tell you how excited I am for my beautiful friend Angela. It's something that she's dreamed about for a long time, and with the help of Tom, love our Tom, she was able to fulfill her dream because she sells ice yarn. So now she's selling Paw Ply yarn, and I will put the link to Daniel's website. I'll also put the link to Angela's website and the link to their channels as well. So if you're not a member of their channels, check them out. We have lots of fun, and I'm just so excited. So I kind of know what I've got. Yay! Sorry about the crinkle, guys. Sorry. So, just a little thing first. The first lot that I'm going to show you is called Exploding Gnomes. Is it? Exploding Gnome. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know that Rick loves gnomes. He just loves gnomes. We've got over 100 in the garden and that, so he is a big gnome fan. So when I saw this yarn, which is called Exploding Gnome, I just had to get it. It is, look at the colours on that. Isn't that just scrumptious? Isn't that just scrumptious? And this is the other one. So I've got two of these. Aren't they gorgeous? Really rich, vibrant. So I'm not sure what I'm going to make him yet, but I am going to make something for Rick. And they are 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon, which means I could actually make him a pair of socks with these, guys. I really could make him a pair of socks. 425 meters, and it's a 4-ply fingering weight. Wash at 30 degrees Celsius. Don't tumble. Dry, lay flat and leave to dry. So what I'm thinking I might do, I think I might do us a pair of matching socks. What do you think, guys? What do you think I should make him so we've got matching socks? And then obviously I had to get my precious, this one's called My Precious Yarnery, and if you know the colours of Angela's logo and that, it's pinks and blues, and there's a little bit of lilacs in here as well, which is so Angela. Really nice. It's a DK weight. It's 225 meters, and it's 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon. Wash at 30 degrees Celsius. Do not tumble dry. Lay flat and leave to dry. So I think I might make myself a cowl with this because it's really nice and soft, and it'll be nice. So I think I might make a cowl with that. But guys, oh, they are so soft. So there's my little, this is my purchase from Angela and in collaboration with Paw Ply Guys. Isn't that lovely? I'm so excited. So yes, guys, I'm going to put the links to their websites. And believe it or not, Daniel's told me they're going to be doing some more sock sets, so I'm so excited. I could crush a grape, guys. I could really crush a grape. So I'm going to love you and leave you. Thank you ever so much for following my crochet fibre journey. I'm just so honoured to be part of this community. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining my channel. To all my existing subscribers who've been with me for a long time, thank you so much for your continued support. And please leave a comment, thumbs up, and because the thumbs are just as important. And I'm going to love you and leave you. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you. And until next time, I'll see you again real soon. Bye for now.